Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Sisense for interactive BI on large datasets, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Sisense for interactive BI on large datasets, start by downloading the Sisense installer from the official website. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your system. Double-click the installer to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to accept the license agreement. Choose the destination folder where you want to install Sisense. Select the components you wish to install. For most users, the default settings will suffice. Click on the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. When completed, launch the Sisense application. Upon opening, you will be prompted to create an admin account. Fill in the required fields for your admin username and password. After setting up your admin account, log into the Sisense dashboard. To load large datasets, click on the Data tab in the left navigation panel. Select the option to add a new data source. Choose the type of data source you want to connect to, such as a database, cloud storage, or flat file. Enter the necessary connection details for your chosen data source. This might include the server address, database name, and authentication credentials. Once you have successfully connected, navigate to the Data Model section. In this section, you can define relationships between your datasets. Use the drag-and-drop interface to link related fields. After completing the data model, save your changes. Next, head to the Dashboard tab to create a visual representation of your data. Click on Create New Dashboard. Select the widgets you want to include, such as tables, charts, or graphs. Drag and drop the desired widgets onto your dashboard. Customize each widget to display the information you need. Once your dashboard is complete, save it for future access. To ensure smooth operation with large datasets, monitor your performance settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.